Have your iPhone contacts suddenly disappeared? You open the Contacts app, and names are missing, or worse, all contacts are gone. Don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through 9 effective ways to fix iPhone contacts disappeared. First, try refreshing the Contacts app. Close the app completely, wait a few seconds, and open it again. Sometimes contacts are still there, but the app just fails to load properly. If refreshing doesn't work, restart your iPhone. A simple reboot can fix temporary system glitches that cause contacts to disappear. Next, go to Settings, General, Date and Time. Make sure Set Automatically is turned on. Now head for Apps, Contacts Accounts. Make sure the correct account, such as iCloud, Gmail, or Outlook, is enabled. If contacts are stored in another account, they won't show up unless it's turned on. Go to Settings, iCloud. Make sure Contacts is turned on. If it's already enabled, try turning it off, wait a few seconds, then turn it back on to refresh syncing. If contacts still haven't returned, signing out of your Apple ID can help. Go to Settings, Apple ID, Sign Out, then sign back in. This forces iCloud to resync all your data, including contacts. Network issues can also cause contacts to disappear. Go to Settings, General Transfer, or Reset iPhone, Reset Network Settings. Running an outdated iOS version can cause bugs. Go to Settings, General, a Software Update, and install the latest iOS version available. If none of the above methods work, your contacts may have been deleted. In this case, I recommend MagFone iPhone Data Recovery. It allows you to scan your iPhone and recover lost contacts, even without a recent backup. Just download and install it, click iPhone iPad Data Recovery, mark Contacts, and click Scan to scan the iPhone data. Then you can preview contacts before recovery and click Recover to PC to restore only what you need.